Hello, my name is Abel with Proctor Subaru. Today I'm going to be going over the 2018 Subaru Outback Touring model that you see behind me. One cool thing about the Outback, especially this Touring model, is that there's a couple things going on here. In the front, you have this very classy C-shaped LED strip. Also, you'll notice it is a clear white light compared to the traditional halogen bulb. That's because it does produce a little bit more lumens thanks to the HID projector housing. One more thing to mention is that part of the Eyesight package on this particular model is it does have the high beam assist. So if you are coming up to a car and the Eyesight picks up on it, if you have your high beams on, it will turn them down back to regular driving mode. Very, very convenient feature. That way you're more focused on the road with both hands on the steering wheel. One of the good things about the Outback Touring version is that it does give you a couple little things that make it stand out from a traditional limited model. One thing that most people don't know is these wheels, they are 18-inch aluminum wheels exclusive only to the Touring. They do look very similar to the limited models. However, the difference inside is this is more of a gunmetal finish on the inside versus the traditional black on the inside here. You'll notice also you have chrome garnish on the very bottom and chrome garnish built into the door handles. Built into this mirror is also where the blind spot detection would be. You'll see it right in here. When folded in, it does illuminate a lot more right towards the driver's side without being intrusive, whereas traditionally we had them built into the actual glass built in here. Coming to the back, as you can see, we have these gorgeous low profile rails. Does give it a very, very sleek look to it. You'll have a redesigned rear bumper. The sensors are still built into them, so all of that is for the rear assist braking, the rear cross traffic alerts and whatnot. You still have a rear gate. The cool thing about all of this is you still have all of that space from the traditional Outback that we all love and that we all know. 60-40 split seats, all from a pull of a lever. You can lay them flat. It's all from here. Now, our camera guy has got all his gear, so there is still much more room, but if we need to cover it up, that's how we do it. On the inside, it's really, really, really noticeable, all of the upgrades that they have done to the 2018 Subaru Outback Touring version. First and foremost, you will notice that we do still offer our exclusive Java brown and colored interior, but the first thing that pops up is the big 8-inch screen with the available now Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The AC controls have also been completely updated. Everything from built-in thermostats into the knobs. It's a really good look. So when you hit the home button on the radio, you have a couple different apps built in. So you do have the map, which is for the factory navigation. And then you also have the settings, which obviously is where you can turn the volume up, down on everything from the Eyesight, the glare. You also have features for media. So if you have a media device from such as iTunes, you can also play it and access it through there. My favorite one is the car info. So average speed, average fuel economy, it's all built in a digital form now. In true touring fashion, you do have a very sleek contrast between chrome and gloss black. So the leather wrap handle, electronic parking brake, and the color match Java brown center armrest. Very, very big storage space, by the way. You do have an additional 12-volt source on top of the dual USBs in there. Down here in the bottom. Again, the gloss black finish continues on throughout the interior of the car. The steering wheel, all of your controls for it, including the heated button with the leather wrap stitching. Just very, very nice touch, very nice finish to a very gorgeous car. The Subaru Outback 2018 Touring model does come standard with Eyesight. Now, Eyesight is our driver assist technology, which gives you the ability to either apply full braking pressure to avoid an accident. It constantly monitors traffic ahead, and it optimizes the cruise control as well, including lane sway warnings and lane keep assist. Moving on to the back, there's some really cool features that are now available on the 2018 Subaru Outback Touring. On top of having your rear heated seats and rear AC vents, we now have introduced USB power outlets, both DC 5 volts here. So that is in addition to the already 2 that we have in the front. So for your passengers now, you don't need to have a long cord to get to it. They have all that access right here. The seats do recline, And the ability to do that is just by a simple pull of a lever. Just reclines just like that. So the Subaru 3.6R has a 2027 MPG rating, so 20 in the city, 27 in the highway. But based on some current feedback from some of my clients, they're actually getting anywhere, so for example 20 is the city, they're actually getting anywhere from 23, almost 24 in the city, which is pretty impressive coming from a 6-cylinder. And 27 being highway, I've seen as high as 32 on the highway. So this coming from at least 2 or 3 sources, some clients that bought the new 2018, specifically Tourings too, 6-cylinders. The pickup on this 6-cylinder is amazing because it does offer immediate punch. It isn't naturally aspirated. There is no turbo lag or anything like that. You know, this is just when you put the foot down, it goes. So it's awesome. It's 256 horsepower. Won't say what speed that was, but it's pretty quick. We can see everything. There's our rear camera. There's the green. As you get closer, amber. As you get closer, red. Now, for safety purpose, I won't try this, but if I were to release the brake, the vehicle will, the sensors will take over and will brake for me to keep it from running into that object. Thank you for watching. My name is Abel with Proctor Subaru. For any questions, comment below. For more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button.